Hi friends, welcome to Funny Brick. This is my Lego room. Winter's already here, which means it's time to get the room ready for Christmas and New Year. Let's start decorating. First, let's clear out everything we don't need. Perfect. Next up, we're building a fireplace. The final touch. Awesome! The most important thing, a Christmas tree. Yeah! The tree's up, but there are no presents under it. Let's make some gifts. Train. Skibidi Toilet. What a cute little Skibidi Toilet. Helicopter. Drilling and crane machine. Heavy machinery. Bulldozer. Snowmobile. Titan Cameraman. These gifts turned out awesome. Let's add some garlands and lights.
Wow.
Friends, I want to wish you all peace, fulfilled dreams, and tons of Lego in the new year. See you soon.